Today we are creating a cool futuristic transformation using the assembling body effect, great for power-ups, robotic transformation edits, sci-fi intros, or character reveal shots. Let's get into it. First, import your video into CapCut and tap on it to select the clip. Now look at the bottom toolbar and tap on Effects. Next, go to the Body Effects category. Here, scroll through the list and look for an effect called Parts Assembled, located under the Hits tab. Tap on it to apply the effect. You'll immediately notice that the character appears to assemble from different body fragments, almost like robotic pieces locking together. It adds an energetic, futuristic build-up animation to your subject. To refine it, tap the Applied effect again. This opens the adjustment panel where you'll find a speed slider. Move the speed slider to the right to make the assembling animation faster, great for action scenes. Move it to the left for a slower, more dramatic formation. Preview your results to see how the effect blends with your scene. Feel free to shorten or extend the effect duration on your timeline depending on how long you want the assembling sequence to play. And that's it. You've successfully added the assembling body effect in CapCut Mobile. This is a fun effect for futuristic edits, superhero transformations, and mechanical builds. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile tutorials.